Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 3 priority outcomes for today and this week. You must be specific. Once chosen, open your calendar and create 90-120-minute focus blocks for deep work and add 10-15-minute breaks between them. Make sure to place a buffer slot for unexpected tasks. While creating blocks, label each with a clear outcome, not vague tasks. This immediately turns vague plans into time-bound commitments. Now you have the structure to schedule the actual tasks. Once your blocks exist, assign concrete tasks to each block and explain why they matter. You're converting time into results. Use Pomodoro or a 52/17 rhythm for smaller items so momentum builds without burnout. Make sure to batch similar tasks, emails, calls, creative, so context switching costs drop. While working, set a timer and record a simple 0/1 completion for each block. This gives you data. If a block overruns, reschedule a lower priority block rather than collapse your whole day. To finish the day, spend 5 minutes reviewing wins and identifying one carryover task. This closes your loop and reduces anxiety. Once done, adjust tomorrow's blocks but move only 1 or 2 items so your plan stays realistic. If something blocks progress, urgent requests, tech failure, use a pre-planned 15-minute emergency buffer slot rather than breaking more blocks. If repeated blockages happen, reassign lower priority work and communicate new deadlines. That troubleshooting keeps momentum and preserves your schedule integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.